So I just wanted to go through an example of doing a length measurement again here just quickly. So here I'm going from 3.3 hectometers to millimeters. So if I'm going from hectometers to millimeters, I need to move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to the right. So thinking about that, here's 3.3 because I got to make it a little bigger. I'm going 5 times to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just making sure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where my decimal is going to go. And all these places where I didn't have anything, I am putting zeros in. So now, when I look at this, I have 330,000 millimeters is equal to 3.3 hectometers. So let's see if I'm correct. I will insert that here. One, two, three, four zeros. And hit submit. Yay, I'm right. All right, so that's one. All right, let's see. Let's try another one example. Let's do mass this time. So here I'm at 7.7 decagrams, and I want to go to centigrams. So, or decigrams, I should say. Sorry, I forget to use the DA there. So I'm going from here to here. I am only moving one time to the right. So once to the right. So I should be able to put in 77. Yay, I'm going to do one more example for you. And I'm going to do the capacity this time. So here I have 11 milliliters. So I am here, and I want to go to decaliters. So I want to go all the way here. So I need to move that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 times to the left. So just double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so if I have 11, remember there's no decimal visible here, but it is there. 11.0 is equivalent. And I'm moving that decimal 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my decimal will go here. I don't have anything here. This is where you put zeros in. And I would make sure that when you type it in, I think it's a little finicky sometimes. I probably would put a 0 in front of that decimal. And I think it likes it a little better when you put that 0 in front of the decimal if you have an answer like that. Okay. All right. So those are 3 examples of just some different variations, and hopefully this will help you a little.